In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a bent over lateral raise, or otherwise known as a reverse fly. Now, unlike the normal lateral raise, where we bring the arms away from the body and we work the side head of the deltoid, we're going to be working the posterior deltoid here, so the back of your shoulder. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to bring your feet at hip width apart, toes faced forwards, and you're going to pick up your dumbbells and pop them on your knees to start. You're going to make sure your hands are in the middle of the dumbbells. Start to lean forwards, but keeping a straight back, and you'll notice the position of the dumbbells are now just behind my calves. From here, keeping my chest up and looking forwards, I'm going to bring the dumbbells away from my body. Big squeeze of the back of the shoulder as I come up. And I'm looking to emphasize that squeeze as I come up and lower under control. What you don't want to do is start arching the back too much. Make sure you've got the chest up and you're looking forwards as you complete all of your desired repetitions. If you can, try to squeeze your shoulder blades when you do the movement. If you can't, that's not a problem at all, as long as you're feeling it in the back of the shoulder.